Having a shower pipe wibbly-wobbly problems? Well, you're in luck. There's a new product out now to help you stabilize it. It's called the Plumbing Stabilizer 3000. Over time, your pipe can come loose and start moving around. This could cause your pipe to leak. If your pipe is not leaking, stabilizing it should help. With our patented product that is made in the USA, this can be done in a few easy steps without even taking off the shower head. This product works on various surfaces like tile, wood, concrete, tub surrounding, and if used with the adapter, drywall. The kit includes a tough wear-resistant nylon plastic stabilizer, 2 high-quality stainless steel set screws, and an Allen wrench to tighten it all up. Tube of industrial-strength adhesive, E6000 glue. This glue takes just a few minutes to get sticky, but 24 to 72 hours to fully cure. This takes a day or two, but well worth the industrial bond that you will get. The last thing is a stainless steel beauty ring that covers the gap between the surfaces and the cover. This kit could save thousands of dollars in tub and drywall repair. You can buy this product at the link below.